Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Cash App account using your email address. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will directly be asked to enter your credentials to log in. Now, in order to log in with your email address, you will either need to have created your account using your email address in the first place, or even if you used your phone number, if you later added your email address to your account, then you will be able to use your email address to log in as well. Simply tap on Use Email at the bottom left section, and now you will be allowed to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you used while signing up to your Cash App account, or you can also type in the email address if you have added later on after signing up using your phone. After entering this email address, just click on the next button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. Just check your inbox and enter the verification code in the next screen, and then you will be allowed to enter the 4-digit PIN that you can set up for your account security, and you will be signed in right away to your Cash App account, and you can use it directly from your phone. And there you have it. That is how you can sign into your Cash App account using just your email address. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.